Hey, have you ordered your Shoe Last mystery box yet? I'll be packing and shipping them over the next couple of days, so there's still time to snag one before Mother's Day. Each box is one of a kind, no two are alike, and packed with creative treasures. Samples of IOD Transfers, a Woodubend Mould, a caster for the heel, DIY Dark Decrepit, Big Top, Wise Owl Heavy Metal Gold Paint, and a few extra surprises.
Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever. There's things in life you simply need to know, but sun and rain and trust in letting go. It takes a bit of suffering, sleepless nights and wandering, before you make it safely to the end, the end, the end. Don't say you're ridiculous, you're not even close. Don't wish for indifference, you're not one of those.
Go get yours while supplies last at elsielaneartgarage.com. Happy creating and happy Mother's Day!